On this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust colors in Lightroom Mobile, and today we are going to work with this portrait. We are going to transform it to this portrait. So stick around, I'm going to show you how. Before we start, did you know you can download all of my presets down below in the description section? If you didn't know, now you know. So let's jump into my Lightroom and let's start.
Now the first thing that you need to do is to click on selective tab, click on the plus icon to select the brush, click on brush icon, adjust brushes a little bit by holding the brush that you want to adjust and dragging it top or bottom to increase the size, the feather and all of that. Now let's select on our image only, the object on our image, let's select it. Now we want to increase the light of this object. Click on the light tab, adjust according to what is on your screen. Good. Now let's increase the color of our object. Click on the color tab and adjust according to what is on your screen. That is great. Now let's increase the sharpness of this image. Click on the details tab and adjust according to what is on your screen. That is amazing. Now let's increase the optics of the image to what is on your screen.
But mankind won't be destroyed.
Click on the check mark and click on the selective tab again. Now let's select the background of our image. Click on the plus icon, click on the brush, adjust brush according to your own fit and select the background only. Now let's adjust the light of our background. Click on the light tab and adjust to what is on your screen. Now let's increase the color of our background. Click on the color tab and adjust according to what is on your screen. Now let's increase the effects on our background. Click on the effects tab and adjust to what is on your screen. Now let's increase the details. Click on the details tab and adjust to this. Now let's increase the optics of our background. Click on the optic tab and adjust to what is on your screen. When you're done, click on the check mark. Now what you want to do to this image is to adjust the overall light, the overall color, the overall effects and the overall sharpness and optics on this image, and we will be done. So now click on the light tab and adjust according to what is on your screen. Now let's click on the color tab and adjust to what is on your screen. On the color tab, click on mix tab and adjust to what is on your screen. That looks amazing. Now click done when you are done. Now what you want to do is to increase the gradient of this image. Click on the three circles up here and these circles will appear. We want to adjust each circle manually. The first circle represents shadows and click on the dropper icon to reveal these three options of adjusting it manually. Adjust to what is on your screen. When you are done, click on the second circle for which it represents mid-tone and click on the dropper icon to reveal the three manual adjustments and adjust to what is on your screen.
Evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed.
Click on the third circle which represents the highlights. click on the dropper to reveal the manual adjustment. Adjust to what is on your screen. When you are done, scroll up and then click on the fourth circle. Click on the dropper to reveal the manual adjustment and then adjust to what is on your screen. That looks amazing. Click on done when you are done. Now let's click on the effects tab and increase the effects of this image. On the effects tab, I want you to adjust to what is on your screen. That is amazing. Now let's adjust the details and sharpness of this image. Click on the details tab and adjust to what is on your screen. Now let's adjust the optics of this image. Click on the optics tab and put both of them on.
And this is our overall result. So if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below the next video that you want me to create, subscribing to our YouTube channel for more content just like this one, and let's continue creating. My name is Chris.